Installing Transport Health in R is easy. We'll use a package called DevTools. If you don't have that already installed, you'll want to install it now using install.packages. Then we'll use DevTools using the install underscore GitHub function to install Transport Health directly from GitHub. After you call the install GitHub function, you'll receive a prompt as to which packages you want to install. We recommend updating all of the packages to the most recent versions available or the CRAN packages only. Once you've selected your option, the package will automatically install, and then you're done.